Welcome. In this video, we're going to cover what is known as brake pack inventory, how to define it, and how to use it. What brake pack inventory is giving you the ability to buy the product by the pallet, case, sell it by the case, and sell it by the each out of those cases, and the system automatically breaks it apart for you. We'll use the example of 12-ounce cans of Coca-Cola. The individual at the store may be buying one can, they may be buying a case. You don't know what you've got on hand except for the total amount. But as they buy the individual cans, it automatically breaks open the next case when the system runs out of individual cans. So 1 can of Coke, it's 12 cans in a case, and you buy it by the pallet or the case. Let's show you how that works. We'll get started in inventory. We're going to go to Item Master. I've already set up our case and can of Coca-Cola, but how you tie it together, you sell the product separately, but how you tie it together is with case SKU. We covered this earlier in initially defining items, but now we're going to show you how to use it. So we'll click the icon for search. We'll pick our case SKU. It's that easy. We've already defined the case SKU. We've defined the individual can. Let's go show you what that case SKU looks like. I'll go ahead and click OK to save it. It has now tied these two items together. The case SKU is we buy it by the pallet, sell it by the case. We also allow purchase and sell units. That's how it works. Click OK. Now we've already received inventory in for this item. We have 96 cases on hand in store 2. As you notice, we have 0 on hand of the individual cans. We haven't counted it in the store yet. It thinks we're full of 96 cases. Let's show what happens as we ring the sale. Okay, let's switch over to the register application and ring up single cans of Coca-Cola to show you how this works. We're logged into the register. We'll just go ahead and look up the Coca-Cola. And there's our single can. And we're going to do a quantity of 4. We'll pay cash for it. And we enter in $4 even. We'll skip printing. And we're done. Let's go see how this changed the inventory. Let's first look at the single can of Coca-Cola and see what it did to its inventory. We'll go click on Inventory for Item. And you notice there is now showing that we have a quantity of 8 on hand, whereas before there was 0. We'll dive further into that. Inventory warehouse location. Same quantity of 8, and look at the adjustments. The register sale sold 4 of them, so it's going to be reducing it. And to get there, it also had to do an adjustment. It added 12 to it when it broke the case apart. Let's go quickly look at the case. You'll notice the case, instead of it having 96 on hand, it now has 95. Go look at the location. It shows those 95 cases in the location. And go look at the actual adjustments. Here's where it did it. Took 1 case down. That's brake pack inventory. That's how easy it is to do it. See you on the next video.